Hi everyone, I am Maya Devi, Faculty of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. We are discuss the subject about environmental science and sustainability. Subject code is GE3451 in the Department of AADS second year fourth semester. Environmental science is nothing but our surrounded area. Environmental science is the study of relationship between the living component and non-living component. Living component is animals, birds, human and etc. Non-living components is air, water, soil and etc. Sustainability. Sustainability is meeting the present needs without compromising the ability of future generation. That means only compromising the current scenario and current futures. The first unit is environment and biodiversity. Environment and biodiversity is only focused on the natural resources such as air, water, soil, forest and minerals. Then energy flow and ecosystem. Energy entered the ecosystem, get energy from the sun. That means producer produce the energy, then that convert the energy as a chemical energy. Then energy flow ecosystem is three kind of diversity. First one is genetic diversity, then species diversity, ecosystem diversity. And habitat loss. Habitat loss is the destruction or degradation of natural habitats. Then poaching of wildlife. Poaching is the illegal hunting, capturing and killing of wildlife. Then conservation of biodiversity. Then conservation of biodiversity is the poaching, protecting, preserving and managing the biodiversity. It has kind of conservation. First one is in situ conservation. In situ conservation is the natural habitats. First one is national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, biosphere reserves. Ex situ conservation. Ex situ conservation is the outside of the natural habitats. First one is zoos. For example, zoos, botanical garden, seed banks. s- Unit 2, environmental pollution. Environmental pollution that affect the environmental. Some kind of environmental pollutions are available, such as water pollution, soil pollution, air pollution, noise pollution. First one, water pollution. Water pollution that causes discharge of industrial effluents, domestic sewage, agriculture runoff, that means fertilizer and pesticides. Then oil spills, plastic and soil waste. Then soil pollution. Soil pollution that causes excessive use of fertilizer and pesticides. Then industrial waste dumping, soil waste and plastics. Then mining activities. Then air pollution. Air pollution that causes from vehicle exhaust, industrial emission, burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, construction dust. Then noise pollution. Noise pollution causes from traffic and vehicle horns, industrial machines, loudspeaker and music system, construction activities. Then soil and waste management. First one, soil management. Soil waste includes household waste, municipal waste, industrial waste, and commercial waste. Household waste means kitchen waste, plastic, and papers. Then municipal waste is market and commercial areas. Then industrial waste. Then hazards waste management. Hazard waste management is the waste of toxic, corrosive, flammable, or reactive and that sources chemical industry, hospitals and laboratories, then paints, pesticides, batteries. Next e-waste. Next one, e-waste management. E-waste management is the e-waste refers the discard electrical and electrical equipments. That means electronical and electrical equipments waste is e-waste management. For example, mobile phones, computers and laptops. Unit 3, renewable source of energy. Renewable source of energy is the energy management. Energy management is the systematic planning, monitoring, and control of energy used to reduce the wastage and improve the efficiency. First one, energy conservation. Energy conservation is a means of reducing energy consumption without affecting productivity. That is following kind of energy is available. First one, solar energy, wind energy, hydropower energy, biomass energy, tidal energy, wave energy, and geothermal energy and nuclear energy. First one, solar energy. Solar energy comes from the sunlight and heat. Then wind energy. Wind energy is a renewable energy that process of wind into the form of mechanical energy. Then hydropower energy. Hydropower energy is the process of generating the energy from the moving water. Then biomass energy. Biomass energy is a renewable energy that comes from the organic organic material like plant and animal waste. Then tidal energy. Tidal energy is a renewable energy that come from the ozone tide. Then wave energy. Wave energy that comes from the ozone surface wave to generate the electricity. Geothermal energy that comes from the heat stored in the earth surface. Nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is the high density energy from atomic nuclear. Then origin of geothermal energy. Geothermal energy originates from the heat inside the earth, and that components are production is well, turbine, generator, condenser, injection well. Then sustainability. Sustainability is the practice of meaning to present need the without compromising the ability of future generation. The pillars of sustainability. And the sustainability is the following: environmental sustainability, then sustainability, then social sustainability. Unit 4, Sustainability and Management. Sustainability is the practice of meeting present need without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. It focuses on the balanced use of natural, economic, and social resource. Three pillars of sustainability. Environmental sustainability. Sustainability, conservation of natural resource and ecosystem. Then economic sustainability. Economic sustainability, long-term economic growth without resource depletion. Then social sustainability. Social sustainability, equity, health, education, and quality of life. Example of sustainability. Example of sustainability management practice: rainwater harvesting, use of solar and wind energy, recycling and reuse of waste, green buildings, sustainable agriculture. Sustainable practice. Sustainable practice are actions and strategies aimed at using resource responsibility to meet present needs without compromising the future. They focus on environmental, social, and economic well being. Unit 5, Sustainability Practices. Sustainability practices is the mainly used as using the resource responsibility. It may compromising the future. Then zero waste and our concept. Zero waste and our concept is the don't waste the resource without using. It practice of using resource without waste. That means reduce, reuse, recycle. 3Rs process: compositing the organic waste, safe disposal of hazardous and e-waste, waste to energy technologies, sustainable habitat. Sustainable habitat is the renewable energy. That means the energy is renewable as a green building, green materials, energy sufficiency. Then sustainable energy. Sustainable energy is the renewable energy. So that means solar, wind, hydro, and biomass. Energy efficient appliances that work as the LED lights, energy saving motors, smart grids, and energy management system, reducing the fossil fuel consumption. Then sustainable of agriculture. Sustainable of agriculture is the organic farming and minimal chemical use, crop rotation and intercropping, soil conservation techniques. Then biodiversity conservation. Biodiversity conservation is the protection of endangered and endemic species. In situ conservation and ex situ conservations are including restoring and degrading the habitats. Then sustainable of urban practices. Sustainable of urban practices is the green buildings and co-friendly construction, public transport and electric vehicle. Then climate change mitigation. It is the afforestation and reforestation, carbon footprinting as the reduction from. Thank you.